Hello everybody and happy Friday. It's Friday, yay, the weekend is here. If you're new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I've got quite a few new subscribers. Before I start this video, I do want to say that I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. For my regular viewers, you said you wanted some bead strands and I've started adding the bead strands. Do go and have a look. I believe they start at £1. As time goes on, I will get more in. I'm just not sure what size will sell. But I do currently have 10% off of a £10 spend, and I do have a clearance section. So thank you so much for everyone that's placed orders with me. I really do appreciate your orders. So today, repurposing. I've come across these. Now they're acrylic. We've got a deep purple, we've got a light purple. We have like a taupe colour. So now you won't be able to see this, but they do have some tiny holes. So I'm going to make a bracelet. Obviously I didn't want to do all the same colour beads because the nearest I could find in pearls was this colour. So, but it will do, So I've got 2 strands of 12, oh, it's probably about 15 inches. I really wasn't sure what I'm going to need. I do like to have a bit to work with, so I'm just stretching those 2 pieces. So how are you all? I do hope you're well. What projects are you working on? Do let me know in the comments below. Do let me know how you all are. Let me know what country you're watching me from. What crafts do you like to make? I'm using 0.8 today. And I think I will do the knot on the big one for the larger holes. See if I can hide it inside. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But I thought this is great for repurposing. I really do not know where these come from, but it's great to use what you've already got. So what are we going to do? So I need to put some, I've got to think, because I need to put some beads in between. I think I am going to do 1 strand at a time. I'll try 3 beads in between. Right, if I start, should I start on this one? Yeah, I'll start on this one. Try and find the holes. Even though it's the largest holes, it's still a bit, oh, it's gone that way. Okay, so it looks like we're going on the bottom type hole. All right, I really need a bead clip. Oh, there's my bead clip. Let's pop that on the end. Let's put that to one side. Let's see what this, I hope it works out okay. It's really too hot to be up here filming. I really hope this turns out okay, because it's too hot to be filming for it to not work out. So if I do 3, what will that be like? Let's have a look a second. Right, where's the hole? There's a hole. Oh, yes, it has it. Yes, it's gone. Oh yes, it's gone through. Okay, so if I do 3, will that work? 3. I think it will. We'll soon find out. So these are 8mm pearl beads. Again, you'll find these on the website. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me just scribble down so I remember what I've done. So I've got 12. 12, 3, 3. Right. Okay. I will forget. I know I will forget. So I'm going to thread this one on here. You wouldn't think I've got glasses on, would you? They are so small. I'm just seeing where the holes are. We've got one there. That did take me a little while. I think I'll cut that bit out. I'll cut that bit out. So we are going to add 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So we're now going to tie, aren't we? Right, let's tie this one. Let's do surgeon's knot. Let's bring everything together. It's going to be so hard getting those other beads in, isn't it, doing this? Okay. So we do one the other way. And we'll do one for luck. And we'll snip that off. Okay. It's going to be a bit tricky now. I think if I had another bead clip, I would have left them both. Right, 1, 2. Let's go for the gold ones now. Yeah, if I had another bead clip or a couple of bead clips to hand, I could have just left the strand down, but it is what it is. Right, so I've done 3. Go through that bottom one. Okay. So now we've got to do 12. Then we are going to thread through this side. We do 3. Okay, so we're ready to tie. pull that through. Right, make sure that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 and 3. Just make sure there's no gaps. Okay, so again, surgeon's knot, so we go over twice. Just make sure everything is pulled together. One the other way. One for luck. Snip those off. Right, I will see, it's not going to notice underneath, but I will see if I can hide those knots. Like this one, see if I can hide this knot. Yes, you're probably not going to see, but I've managed, it's a little bit sticking out actually there. Let me just pull that in. Right, I have managed to hide. I have managed to hide the knots. Let me put it on here to show you. Obviously this will not fit me. That's what it looks like. There we go. There. Repurposing. So I do hope you like that video. I hope you have an amazing weekend, whatever you're doing. Even if you just want to relax, I hope you have a lovely weekend. Do remember to check out the website, and if you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and then they'll put my videos before more people, and it just helps my small channel grow. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.